Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Verb. Let's learn English.
Let's learn
More about
verb. Verb is an action word.
sit, stand, walk, run, nap, talk, laugh, cry, call, cook, eat, mix, open, catch, stop, start, read, write, spend, jump, hide, crawl, play, kick, push, let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1.
Ready your pencil and paper.
Are
You,
Ready.
Choose the correct answer.
what is this action?
the correct answer is sit.
What is this action?
The correct answer is eat.
What is this action?
The correct answer is cry.
What is this action?
The correct answer is laugh.
What is this action?
The correct answer is walk.
What is this action?
The correct answer is run.
What is this action?
The correct answer is play.
What is this action?
The correct answer is read.
What is this action?
The correct answer is write.
What is this action?
The correct answer is open.
Quiz number 2.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Identify the verb.
What is this action?
The correct answer is mix.
What is this action?
The correct answer is cook.
What is this action?
The correct answer is kick.
What is this action?
The correct answer is jump.
What is this action?
The correct answer is stand.
What is this action?
The correct answer is call.
What is this action?
The correct answer is nap.
What is this action?
The correct answer is catch.
What is this action?
The correct answer is stop.
What is this action?
The correct answer is spent. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.